Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in an algebraic equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 6 times x minus 7 equals 11. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the steps involved in isolating the variable x. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. To solve the equation 6x minus 7 equals 11, we need to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. In step 1, we'll start by eliminating the minus 7 that is currently subtracted from 6x. To do this, we will add 7 to both sides of the equation. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other to keep it balanced. So the original equation is 6x minus 7 equals 11. Adding 7 to both sides gives us 6x minus 7 plus 7 equals 11 plus 7. On the left side, minus 7 plus 7 cancels out, leaving us with just 6x. On the right side, 11 plus 7 gives us 18. So now the equation simplifies to 6x equals 18. In step 2, we need to isolate the variable x by eliminating the 6 that is currently multiplied by x. To achieve this, we will divide both sides of the equation by 6. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other to keep it balanced. So the current equation is 6x equals 18. We divide both sides by 6 to isolate x. This gives us 6x divided by 6 equals 18 divided by 6. On the left side, 6 divided by 6 simplifies to 1, leaving us with just x. On the right side, 18 divided by 6 simplifies to 3. So now the equation simplifies to x equals 3. This completes our solution. The value of x is 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.